back to the channel. Today we are covering the questions and answer on Marketing Cloud Email Specialist. To find the complete list of questions and answer, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Now, the question is Northern Trail Outfitters NTO would like to target members who recently received and opened any promotional email with the subject line NTO Spring Sale. What feature should be used to target these members? Options are Option A, Email Send Report. Option B, Group Refresh. Option C, SQL Query Activity. And option D, Engagement Split. The correct option is option A. Next question is An email marketing team has been tasked with building a new email that pulls in personalized content based on customers' preferences. The team has decided to create dynamic rules to accomplish this setup. What are the four elements that are required for the creation of a dynamic content rule? Options are Option A, preferences, value, operator, lists. Option B, lists, value, operator, images. Option C, customers, value, operator, content. And option D, attribute, value, operate, content. The correct option is option D. Next question is Northern Trail Outfitters NTO offers a 90-day trial on weekly snack box subscriptions. NTO would like to send out a series of emails to educate and remind members to purchase the subscription before the trial ends. What tool is an option for this scenario? Options are Option A, Contact Builder. Option B, Automation Studio. Option C, Send Flow. And option D, Content Builder. The correct option is option B. Next question is A marketing team is using two systems to send emails. The team wants to maintain unsubscribe information between both of the systems in order to remain compliant. They would like to update Marketing Cloud subscription status weekly based on unsubscribes from the other system. Which solution should they use to maintain subscriber status? Options are Option A, import unsubscribers into a data extension, then update status with a query. Option B, create an automation triggered on unsubscribes from the other system. Option C, create a suppression workflow for the unsubscribed accounts. And option D, import unsubscribers with the appropriate status into all subscribers. The correct option is option A. Next question is The marketing team would like to send an email to an audience on a weekly basis. The team receives multiple files each week that need to be imported and joined to build the target audience for the email. Which tool is recommended to execute this process? Options are option A, Automation Studio, option B, Playbooks, option C, Data Extract Activity, and option D, Filter Activity. The correct option is option C. Next question is, while testing an email with dynamic content in Content Builder, proofs of 5 content variations need to be reviewed directly in the inbox of a marketer's quality assurance specialist and the marketing manager. A data extension named My Test Data contains only the variations needed. Which method should be used to accomplish this task? Options are option A, enter the email address to receive proofs and then select the specific records from a list or data extension whose rendering should be sent. Option B, choose data extension of contacts and then choose to send based on recipient test data extension. Option C, create a test data extension that contains the 5 content variations the two team members need to validate. Option D, enter the email address to receive proofs and then choose to send based on subscriber preview my test data. The correct option is option A. Next question is, Northern Trail Outfitters marketing team includes the nearest store to customers in the template of its emails. This data extension only needs to be updated when store information changes, such as when a new store opens or a store closes. How can this be achieved? Options are option A, create an automation to begin when information changes on a store object using a workflow rule. Option B, create a scheduled automation to import the file on a recurring basis with the store information. Option C, create a file drop automation to import the file when placed on the specified directory on the enhanced FTP. And option D, create a file drop automation to initiate when the store's data extension is updated via import. The correct option is option A. Next question is, what can a marketer do to enhance a welcome series campaign? Choose 2 options. And the options are option A, require that the subscriber refer a friend. Option B, personalize email content. Option C, send 3 emails on the first day after sign up. And option D, share the email program's value proposition. The correct option is option B and D. Next question is, Northern Train Outfitters sends email order confirmations to customers who have made online purchases. These emails must follow the transactional CAN spam classification requirements. Which feature would a marketer use to classify a send under this CAN spam classification? Options are option A, send classification, option B, send definition, option C, delivery profile, and option D, sender profile. The correct option is option A. Next question is, what is a function of the content detective tool? Options are option A, it helps guarantee placement of emails into the inbox. Option B, it helps display content in a context box. Option C, it helps identify spam triggers in email content and subject lines. And option D, it helps track customer traffic generated by content areas within a email. The correct option is option C. Next question is, Northern Train Outfitters wants to maintain enterprise-wide opt-outs for two segments of its subscribers, education, events and sales. Which feature would the company use? Options are option A, shared emails, option B, shared portfolio items, option C, shared data extensions, and option D, shared publications lists. The correct option is option D. Next question is, a customer would like to automate a weekly email campaign using Automation Studio. Which send method would the customer use to configure the email? Options are option A, send preview, option B, user initiated, option C, test send, and option D, guided send. The correct option is option C. Next question is, the marketing team would like to remind customers they can receive 10% off all purchases they make during the week of their birthday as a way to increase customer engagement. Which tool would the marketing team use to send an email notifications to customers based on a subscriber specific date? Options are option A, AMP script, option B, data relationships, option C, data extract activity, and option D, playbooks. The correct option is option D. Thank you.